guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you guys on how I refill my acrylic toes. So first and foremost, I will be putting on some oil because last video I did, oh my gosh, y'all thought that my toes were not dry, but they were. So I had to put some of my mom's oil. This set is actually a month and 2 weeks old. I was really surprised on how long my natural nail is growing over these acrylics, because I was literally patiently waiting to make an update and refill these bad babies, these bad boys. Okay. So the last clip I was pushing back my cuticles, and now I'm filing down the clear gel so I can get ready to prep my nail, my natural nail, and start on applying my acrylic. So I had a lot of comments saying that my toes were so cute and my toes without the acrylic look even better than putting the acrylic after, and it was so crazy. Y'all, I know my toes look nice and stuff. I'm not trying to be big-headed, but there's times where my toes just look crusty, dusty, and a little bit on the drier side like the last video, okay? I really appreciate the comments. And now I'm just filing to my desired shape, because after having the acrylic grown out, my natural nails grown out, the acrylic just got wider and I didn't like the look of it, so I'm just filing. And also I did chip my toe, my big toe, on the left side of the corner, and during this video you guys will see how I refill that area. And now I'll be buffing out the grown out area of my nail. because I want the acrylic to adhere more to my natural nail. The products that I'll be using right now is the Mia Secret Dehydrator, and also I'll be using the Mia Secret Primer. I've been using these products since the first time I've started. Literally, these products never fail. I literally have 0 to 1 minimum lifting with my clients. And the best thing about it is that they're really affordable. So I usually just get them through Amazon and they come within 2 days because I do have Prime shipping. Okay. And the brush that I'm using is also Mia Secret. And the last video I was using a Acrylic brush that was, I think the size was 12. And it was a newer brush. This brush I had for almost about a year now since I started, and it's still working. It's still good. And the size of this brush, this Mia Secret brush, is actually a 10, and it's really good for beginners. If you're a beginner and you want to start doing nails, this Mia Secret size 10 brush is the way to go, trust me. So as I'm refilling the corner of my big toe, I let the acrylic dry out just a little bit so that I can form the acrylic to my desired look. I don't want the acrylic to be too runny, because if it's too runny, then I won't be able to actually maneuver the acrylic around my toe. So now I'm just cleaning around my nails. I am filing away any extra acrylic that got on my skin, and I'm just filing away. So I usually use my e-file to file away the acrylic, the freshly new acrylic and my previous acrylic. But since these are like more of a smaller nail bed, my toes are more smaller, I'm just using a file to file away any rough edges. Now I'm putting cuticle oil because I'm all done. My toes look fresh, they look renewed, they look better, and I'm happy with the results. And guys, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I gladly appreciate you guys commenting, liking my videos. Also, don't forget to comment on what videos I should do next. Subscribe and like this video. Thanks guys.